How to clear downloads on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear downloads on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are on your profile, you're gonna find those three lines up there. Click on it. In here you have setting and privacy. Now scroll down and click on free app space, and you're gonna find downloads. To clear your download, just click on clear, but this is gonna affect your filters, stickers, and whatever you are downloading your application on your TikTok app, and you won't be able to download them again if you need them. If you don't care of this stuff, just click on clear and clear your downloads. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.